Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I cleaned up and enhanced the gauge cluster in my 2001 E46 Wagon. The cluster face was dirty and bland and needed a facelift. I'll show you how I changed it from this to this. Alright, let's jump into it. First things first, you'll want to disconnect the negative terminal from your battery. This will make sure your cluster won't get any errors when it's reinstalled. Next, adjust your wheel so it's at its lowest and furthest out position. Use a T20 driver to remove the two screws at the top of the cluster. Slide the cluster out with your fingers and disconnect the two harnesses at the back. Once you've disconnected the harnesses, slide the cluster back into its spot and then back out over the wheel and to the side. Clean up any dirt and debris with a damp microfiber towel. With the cluster out, give it a quick clean with a dry towel. Remove the 4 T10 screws from the back cover. Gently press in the clips on both sides of the rear cover to remove it. Remove the two posts in the face by gently pulling on them, then carefully slide the cluster out from the lens. Clean your cluster as needed. I had to make sure that those drips on the inside of my lens were wiped away. I bought these chrome rings from eBay for about $20. They snap into place right on the existing cutouts in the face. Simply slide them in from the back and clip them into place. Place the pins in the front lens and carefully reinstall the cluster. Push the pins firmly into the cluster to hold them in place. Add the rear cover and make sure that it clips into place. Replace the 4 T10 screws. Now the cluster is ready to go back into the car. Carefully slide the cluster behind the wheel and connect the two harnesses. Replace the two T20 screws at the top. Reconnect your battery and test your cluster functions. At night, these chrome rings give off a really cool golden halo effect when the lights are turned on. During the day, they dress up the cluster and make it much nicer to look at. Not having really gross, crusty drips going down the lens really helped too. Hopefully you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching.